Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a TOZO PA1 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, if you've decided that this speaker is irretrievably lost and you need a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a similar high-quality 5-star rated speaker. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just, for whatever reason, want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set this speaker up as a brand new device. This will do this as well, and it's really easy to do. All we need to do on this speaker is we're just going to come in and we are going to press and hold simultaneously the volume down and the volume up, or the minus and the plus symbol buttons. Just press and hold them for 10 seconds. If we hold these two keys together, then after 10 seconds, the speaker will reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can turn it back on and set it up like it's coming out of the box for the first time.